Hey, welcome to Audrey's Southern Cooking. My name is Nita, and welcome to year 2022. Y'all, this is gonna be one of the best years. I cannot wait. So, I told you before in my last video that we were gonna do a few little different things. So we are. I've started another channel, a second channel, and it is called Oxford Cookies and Cups. So as you guessed, and I have some coffee in here this morning. So as you guessed, we make cookies and we design cups. So this would be kind of an example. This is my cup, but I can definitely make you one. This is gold glitter. And it's so pretty. So this one you cannot wash in the dishwasher. It will have to be hand washed. I will work on trying to get those sealed so we can put those in the dishwasher. Also, I have tumblers. Look at the size of this. This is a 32 ounce. It's a skinny tumbler, so you can see your hand can get around it comfortably. So there will be different ones. We'll have resin on some with different decorations. And also we'll have, this is called etched stainless steel. So as you can see, some parts are shiny. And if you look, my cat eye glasses. And it says Audrey's Southern Cooking. Of course, these do come with lids and straws. So if you're interested in one, I will have the link in the bottom. I will be opening an Etsy page, and then y'all can purchase those. There'll be all kinds of different cups available. Also, there'll be a link for the Oxford Cookies and Cups of merchandise as well. All right. So what are we gonna do in this year 2022? Besides opening a brand new page that are baking cookies and making cups, we'll have cakes and some breads over there. What are we gonna do over here? We're gonna make some breads. We're gonna still do some Southern cooking, but we're also gonna reach out and try other, maybe nationalities. I don't know. We're just gonna expand out, and we're just gonna try all kinds of different things. You're never gonna know. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Today, we're gonna make Southern zucchini bread. It's gonna be delicious. So I have everything measured out. So what we're gonna do first, let me lower the camera down for you. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grate some zucchini, and I've already washed these. I've just gotta trim them off. But I've got my mixer here, and we're gonna start out with a flat paddle. So first, we're gonna put our wet ingredients. A cup of oil. This is vegetable oil. You can use canola oil. Try not to use anything with flavoring or too strong of a taste. I wouldn't use olive oil because of, it's a little stronger tasting. I have 4 beaten eggs. I just kind of whipped them with my fork. And then we're gonna have a teaspoon of lemon. I do have fresh lemons. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start mixing this because my eggs are separated from my oil. I'm going to turn that on low. I've already got my flour. This is 3 to 4 cups of 3 to 4 cup of regular all-purpose. I have 3 cups of sugar. I also have a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg, along with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And then I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And I just kind of stirred that up, but we're gonna save that for later. So while this is kind of mixing, I'm just gonna take a little knife and cut the ends off. And we're just gonna grate it using the big end. And you can do it either way you want. I'm just gonna do it this way. And we may turn it as we go. Just be careful when you get to the end. Watch those fingers. Because honey, I have many times over the years have cut my fingers on a grater. All right, so I'm gonna work on that while this is mixing, and we'll come back. We just need 2 cups, so we'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So what I forgot to add to my mixture was my 1/3 cup of water. Y'all know I always forget something, but at least I had it right there. And I've got my zucchini. What I did was I used the smaller one. It seemed to cut a lot better. So I got 2 cups of that. So what I'm gonna do is add that in here. And it's slightly over 2 cups. I'd say maybe a 1/3 maybe. I just didn't want to waste a piece of zucchini. So I'm gonna mix this in. Now, one thing that we need is pecans or walnuts. And we need 1 cup of chopped. So what I'm gonna do is get some pecans out. Before this is finished, we are gonna chop just a handful or 2. We're gonna chop a little cup of pecans and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got my cup of pecans. And so all you have to do, now you can do these in a blender or in a chopper if you want to. You can put them in a bag and break them up. But I'm just gonna chop real quick. Always something to try to escape. Usually going in at the very end. So this is something you can work on while things are mixing. So I'm gonna stop here. Turn this off. Look, it's green. So we're just gonna scoop some of this mixture in. This is about 1/3 of a cup. So I'm just gonna scoop some of that in. Turn it on low. I'm gonna let that mix while I'm gonna continue doing that until all my flour's gone. In the meantime, I'm gonna chop up my pecans and we'll come back when this is finished with the flour added in it. I'll show you how to do the pecans and we're gonna pour them in 2 bread pans. I've already got them oiled. If you have some Pam or something like that that you can spray, that works great. I'll just put, I don't know, about a tablespoon of oil in them. All right, we'll be back in just a few minutes. All right, welcome back. So this is mixed. Look at that, that is so pretty. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take all of this off. Now, what I'm gonna do is move that out of the way a little bit. I'm just gonna scrape the sides and the bottom and mix that little bit of zucchini in. Let me wash my hands, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I've got that mixed, my hands are washed. I had that zucchini all over it. I've got 1 cup of chopped pecans. They're not like super small, they're not really big. So what you're gonna do is fold these in. So I'm gonna pour them in. And you're just gonna scrape from the bottom up. That's what I do, and around the sides. So bottom up, and then scrape around the side. You just, when you're folding, you don't want to put a lot of air in it because the mixer's already done that. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I have my 2 pans with the oil in them. So it could be kind of messy just to pour this in. What I'm gonna do is take my little scoop where I use the flour. It's fine, it's just flour. So what I'm gonna take is I'm gonna take a scoop, slide them close together, and pour that in. Now you can, if you wanna pour it in, you're welcome to do that. You know, it could make a mess. This could make a mess as well. But I'm just trying to half it a little, as best I can as well. Now, if you wanted to, what you could do, you could also put some in the second one as you go, kind of scoop, scoop, you know. Should have had a bigger cup. And that way it will kind of make even, as best you can do. All right, I'm gonna finish filling these pans up and we will be back and be ready to bake them. Okay, so I've got them back. I see one's a tiny bit fuller than the other one. It's fine. So what I'm gonna do is put these on a baking sheet and put those in the oven and bake these for approximately an hour. I'm gonna set my timer for 50 minutes and check them. Put a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, they're done. So I'm gonna bake these for 50 minutes, test them. If not, we'll continue on with the baking. And then when we take them out, we'll come back. So I will see you in about an hour. All right. So it did stick a little bit. There's the bottom of my bread, but it's okay. I will just get some Pam, and that's what I will do. And spread. All right. Let's slice this and see how it looks on the inside and how it's going to taste. All right. It's still really warm. Look at that. Ooh, can you smell it? So you see a little bit of the green, that's your zucchini. Then we got the pecans. Ooh. Let's tear off a piece. Now this is the end of the bread, so it's gonna be a little chewier than what you would have on the center. That's good. Look how pretty and light that turned out. It is a little chewy, but like I said, that's because it's the end of the bread. But that is good. This would be great for some gifts. Maybe if you know anybody that having a birthday since Christmas is gone, it's after the New Year's. This would be something you can make any time of the year. Summertime would be great when you have fresh zucchini. All right, let's raise the camera up and we will be finishing this video. All right, I appreciate y'all watching my video. And this is the end of my first video of 2022. And this bread turned out, look at that, how beautiful that is. And it's tall, it's fluffy, and it's delicious. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me. I'll have my email address in the bottom in the description along with the recipe. And if you have, if you'd like to support my channel, I will have Venmo and PayPal on there as well. But you can also send me payments if you'd like. That would really help boost my channel up. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And just a quick reminder, I started a second channel. It is called Oxford Cookies and Cups. If you would, still got my cup. If you would go ahead and go over there and subscribe to that channel as well. We are starting a home-based bakery on that channel, and you'll be seeing cookies and how to do cups, and there's no telling what you'll see over there. All right, well, I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a great day and a happy, happy new year, and I hope you all the best. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.